If I was working on this case, I'd be interested to know a little more about each of those particular times.
Kevin Hammonds is a former Aurora Fire Deputy Chief. He's interested in the times gas lines were cut at Heather Gardens just days before a cut gas line caused a leak that fueled the explosion that killed a resident. In documents requested by 9 News and provided by the Aurora Fire Department today, incident reports show workers cut into gas lines 4 times in the 24 days leading up to November 16th.
And that's an unusual coincidence, in my opinion, in a small geographic area.
On October 23rd, firefighters got a call of a cut line. October 29th, firefighters responded to a cut gas line, and workers told them they were digging when the line was accidentally damaged. November 13th, the fire department says a contractor was trenching and damaged a gas line. Then, 2 days before the explosion, on November 14th, workers told fire investigators they were hand digging and broke the gas line. According to Xcel Energy and the Aurora Fire Department, all 4 of these resulted in a gas leak.
If you have this call occurring in a small geographic area over a short period of time, that would make you wonder what is causing that. If it is a single cause, and it certainly could be separate isolated incidents, but you kind of wonder how this one geographic area is experiencing so many of that particular type of call.
A Heather Gardens spokesperson says the only underground work was being done by Comcast contractors putting in an Xfinity fiber optic line. 2 of the fire department's reports said Xfinity subcontractors were involved in the gas leaks. Katie Eastman, 9 News.